everyone, if you clicked on this video, you're about to discover a game-changing vocal tip that has transformed the way that I sing, and it's just helped me out so much as a professional voice user. Now, the best part is it is something that you can start doing right now with just a simple straw. Now, I've been singing and coaching vocals for over 12 years now, and in that time, I've obviously explored a wide variety of vocal techniques, and one of the most helpful, one of the most useful vocal techniques that I've learned is the straw technique, and today I want to share it with you. So what we're going to do in a moment is we're going to do a quick vocal workout with a straw, but let me just tell you what it does. So the straw exercise can help in 3 key ways, actually more than that, but let me just tell you, it improves breath control, it makes singing feel easier, it smooths out register breaks, but it's also really helpful if your voice is tired, and it can also improve your vocal control. So pause this video, go and grab a straw because we're going to do a quick vocal workout, and once you have your straw, we're going to be good to go. So let's do this. So we're going to start with some pitch glides, going from a comfortable low note to a comfortable high note and back down again, just like this. So you can pause this video and do about 5 to 10 reps of those. And then the next one we're going to do is the hills. And you're just going to be imagining that you're going over hills with the sound of your voice. And you're also going to be engaging your abdominal muscles with this one, just like this. So again, pause the video, do about 5 to 10 reps of those. And then let's take it to the scale. Make sure that you have good posture. And you're mindful of your airflow. Take it easy and just slide through the notes. Focus on keeping that airflow controlled and constant. Good, keep it going. Okay, and we're about to change the scale any moment now. Sliding through the notes. Keeping your airflow controlled and constant. Really avoid blasting the air. And only go as comfortable as it is to go. And we're about to change the scale. Get ready. Imagine an even playing field with this one. Sliding through the notes. Being mindful of airflow. Doing great. Keep it up. And we're almost done with this one. Last one. And once you've done it on the scale, you can take it to one of your favorite song melodies. So you can take this straw exercise on your favorite song melody and then try singing. Enjoy. So the straw exercise is incredibly simple, I know, but that simplicity is what makes it so effective. Now, when you make it part of your regular routine, you're going to notice improvements in your tone, your vocal control, and your range. The simplicity of the straw is what makes it so powerful. So try the exercise for a week and, leave a comment below and let me know what you experienced. But I know it's going to improve your singing just like it did for me. And if you like this video, then give it the thumbs up and subscribe. And you can also, if you want free vocal training, then you can go to my Voice Savvy app on the App Store and Google Play. I have a whole bunch of vocal workouts, warm-ups, and challenges on my app. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Until next time, I will see you soon.